I wanted to show you guys how many bead caps I have. I've acquired a bunch of beads and components from somebody that retired from jewelry making, but I have a bunch of bead caps that I want to start using, especially the gold. I don't make much gold tone jewelry, but I was thinking maybe I can make little crowns out of these for my little skull earrings. I think that would be cool. So let's give it a try and see what happens. So I have gone ahead and picked out some bead cap pairs and also some little crystal rondelles who I got from the same person. See which way looks good on the skulls with the bead caps. They can wear little caps or they can look like they're wearing crowns. So let's get started. I have a couple silver tone, which I'll use my 20 gauge titanium enamel copper wire. And for the gold tones, I'm going to use this vintage bronze, also 20 gauge. I've got 2 lengths of wire here, both about 4.5 inches. I'm going to make a little spiral. Little spiral with a 90-degree angle on it. So they should be pretty close. Oh, the one I made too big. Look at that. I went too far around. So to straighten your wire, I just kind of take my flat nose and squish it from either side. I thought I went too far. All right, that should be more like it. There we go. So let's build a scully earring. See what we get. Let's see, put a rondelle on. These are going to be sparkly skulls. Let's see what this crown looks like. I don't know about that. Let's try a different one. It seems a little better, a little less wobbly. Let's see, I put a bead in there so I can make my wrap so my little loop doesn't get buried. How does that look? Well, I'm gonna go for it. Put a nice thick wrap on top there. I have quite a bit extra end piece in so it doesn't snag on anything. That's kind of cute. Make the other side. I'm going to start off with the spiral twisting the other direction. So those are some fancy sparkly dudes there. All they need is a pair of ear wires and they're good to go. Let's see, what else can we do? Along with the regular white skulls, I have some purple ones and I have some red ones. The next one I want to make purple and I want to put these little bead caps on like he's wearing a cap. So let's see what that looks like. Once again, I've got 4 inches of wire. I'm just going to make a little spiral. Let's check this so I don't go too far. Alright, so let's slip on the purple. I'm going to use the purple guy this time. Slip the bead cap on like it's a cap. Kind of looks like a shower cap. And I picked a green bicone for the top to stick with the Halloween colors. This earring has a lot less on it, so of course I'm going to have some extra wire. I should have made it 3 inches. I made it 4 inches, but should have made it 3. That's so cute. Alright, make the other side. How cute are those? Of course the spirals ended up facing. You know what I can do though? Let's see. Take this and this, hold on real tight, and then twist. There, now I got the spirals facing opposite directions. That's pair number 2. Alright, what's next? That looks like a little flower hat. That's kind of cute. I've got butterflies. Look at this. How would this look? Not really Halloween-y, but kind of girly. I've got little butterfly, crystal or glass. I think they're probably glass. Let's try them with this. See how they look. I'm just going to need about 3 inches of wire. As I did with the others, I'm just going to make a tiny spiral. All right, let's see what this looks like. So last week I made the scullies with the top hats. This week I'm going to make girly ones with look like flower caps and butterflies. Who doesn't love skulls with butterflies? But I gotta be careful about this butterfly so I don't crack it while I'm making my loop. Isn't she pretty? Okay, that's those two. Those turned out cute. That's 3 down. The next one, I'm gonna use the green pair of skulls, very shiny bead caps, and I'm gonna put these Fire Opal, they look like 8mm bicones on the top. Let's see what those look like. All right, here's pair number 4. But these bead caps are kind of sharp and pointy right there. So I'm gonna see if I can like take my nylon jaw pliers and kind of smoosh them down. See how pointy that is? You can see them. You don't want any sharp, snaggy points on your jewelry. Try to smooth them down as much as you can. That's better. All right, pair 4 down. Let's see what, I think I'll do silver tone for this one with the red. Silver tone rondelles. Should I put a cap, rondelle on top, and then maybe a bicone? Here's the last pair. They turned out pretty cute too. So there you have it. 5 pairs of skull earrings with the same type of components, 5 different ways. And here they are. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is mostly to show you different ways you can use extra beads you have on hand that you don't know what to do with. Just figure out a creative way to use them. I didn't know how to use these butterfly beads, and now I do. So you don't have to use the exact same ones I have. Just be creative and go through your collection and see what you can come up with. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. And also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button because I make a new video each week. Happy Halloween, everybody. I'll see you next time.